Yeah.
Then you would have to go get it.
Where's it going up and down, are we?
And it goes pretty fast. Oh, you're right. Those go slow.
Alright, that's what I told you.
Ours go faster.
Get on the bottom horse, we'll go faster. Feel a lot faster. Yeehaw!
I'm racing you and I'm ahead of you.
I'm getting dizzy. There's Mimi. There's Mimi over there.
I'm scared when I let go.
Yeah, me too. I gotta hang on too. There goes Mimi again. Oh, she turned around, walking away. Nathan's a flying.
You know a lot of people scream on
Flying on his
You
horse.
know a lot of people scream when they're on what is it? What is it called? On roller coasters. But this isn't a roller coaster.
Alright.
It just goes like up and down kind of like, you know.
Yep. Pretty soon we'll get you on a roller
Remember
coaster.
that roller coaster that I loved so much?
Yeah, the Comet.
Yeah, I want to go on that.
Yeah, we're gonna go somewhere else this year.
Where?
Cedar Point.
That place has scary ones.
Yeah, big ones and little ones.
They're scary. And I don't like the little teeny ones that only go like this. I like the ones that go.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll see. They got plenty of them.
But I don't like the ones that you don't go so high. Like,
Yeah.
and if I went on one of those, I would go up.